Alright. We have another unboxing. And hey guys, welcome back. Unboxing. Gonna make it quick, but you know who else does tons of unboxings? Random Rob. Random Rob on YouTube. Go and check him out. Subscribe to him. So yesterday I had a painters painting my flat, and I was out of it, but I specifically don't. I'm expecting mail. Please, when the mailman comes, don't send him back. Take the package. And when I returned, they were expecting me to admire their great painting skills and jobs. But when I saw the package, that's what happened to me. Unfortunately, I've been busy. After it, you need to clean up and do stuff. And I postponed the unboxing for today. So without further ado, my mate sent me this one, so I don't know what to expect. I know it's a watch, but he always sends up some crazy stuff in the mail. So sorry about the background noise. Oh, I actually got something. He's the guy who will put a watch in a sock. He once sent it me boxers, briefs, and he's just do it for the fun of it. But this is like Hugo Boss stuff. So nice change from a sock. It's a watch. Yeah, this is a watch inside of here. And uh, I have people wondering what's this? Nothing. I always tell the uh, folks who are sending me watches, make sure to pack them right because the people who handle mail do not care if it's fragile or not, even it said so sticker. So check this out. Damn it! Look at this. Love it. It's a German Russian watch. So ta-da! Even my wife is glancing to see what watch is it. She's curious because she was looking at this package. And why won't you open the package? But I want to open with you guys together to share it. So yeah, this is Junkers, and of course I'm not gonna buy just any Junkers. I will buy only mechanical, manual wound Russian 3133 movement, and this is a Europe edition, says here, number 443, made in Germany, stainless steel, water resistant, 5 atmospheres, and the Russian movement. Um, and this is the closest thing. I love this one. This is the closest thing to get to the Pilot Aviator I have, which actually there is one for sale at the local ads, but a guy's asking too much money, and honestly, uh, I don't think the watch is worth that kind of money, even though it's nice and good. So I got the next best thing, and I love this. I had to watch similar like this with the red details and red second hand, and you can see this one needs service because this is the most common problem with these 3133 movements, especially newer ones with the Germany and stuff. The the reset hand is not at 12 o'clock. It's sometimes it will hit just before, sometimes it will hit just after. So a good watchmaker is a must for you to have it, but I will just check it out quickly. No, it's not even working at all. Not even working at all. It's not disengaging. Wasn't It's not exactly as advertised, but nevertheless it still has to go to the watchmaker. So yeah, not happy with that one. He said it works, but it just don't won't stop at all, and it's not working. Obviously, check it out. Yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna take this to the watchmaker. I took this a couple days ago, and it's there for service. And this one's really nice. I need to fix it up, but when I fix it up, And when I wear it sometime, there will be a review definitely. So yeah, that's it. Junkers. I think this is a 38, but I will have more info later on. So thank you for watching, and a bit disappointed with the stopwatch not working. And this is exactly what you can expect when you buy these kind of watches used. So if you don't have a watchmaker ready, I think you should buy it new. Unfortunately.